If you spend most of your day inside Gmail and want a simple way to manage leads, sales, and follows up without switching app, Streak CRM is a perfect fit. In this beginner's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use Streak CRM for Gmail for setup to tracking pipelines so you can stay organized right inside your box. So first of all, let's go and click on get started from the top right side corner. And once you do this, you have to just go and click on add this extension because it's important. Without adding this extension, you won't be able to use or perform anything in the streak. Automatically it will just get downloaded and within few seconds it will get added. Now it's done. Automatically it will get synced to your Gmail and it will redirect to our Gmail here. Okay, and this is really easy thing to do. Now here you have to sign in with your Gmail. Now sign in with your Gmail or Outlook email, whatever you have, and you can just give the specific access. So I want to give the access of my calendar as well as my Gmail so that it work well. Now it's a very lightweight custom relationship, customer relationship management tool built directly into the Gmail, right? Okay, so I think we need to give complete access here. So select it and just give the complete access right now. Click on again, continue, click on select all and scroll down and click on continue. So instead of jumping between a CRM and your email, Streak adds all the CRM features like pipeline and notes and reminders right where you already work. This makes it great for freelancers, startups, and small team who want simplicity. Now it will ask you first, what do you want to use Streak for? So here I want to use Streak for CRM or email tracking. So that's why I want to use for CRM, right? Here you have to give the name of your company. So I will just write here Filex Express, click on continue. The number of employees, so it's 5 to 10. And here, would you like to invite your teammates? No, I will do it later. What's your role in the company? So I'll just write here CEO and click on continue. And want help regarding setup? So I think it's fine, no. And click on continue. What are your primary using task, whatever it is? So let's go and click on sale. And then here I use once you have completed everything. Now if you just open your email, you will find completely different. As you can see here, this is my inbox, which is pretty much normal. And here you can see the state and this is sent and you will find everything very normal. But if I just go to the Streak home and click on here, you will find a lot of different things. So how you can create your first pipeline. So pipelines are how Streak organize your leads and deals. So first of all, you have to just go and click on pipeline. Let me show you. So this is pipeline. Now click on the sales. So this is sales pipeline. If I want to create it, click on first, plus, and here you will find different options. Let's say I want to create a pipeline for business developer, right? Or business development. Here you can find there's a different sections. Now I can just create my own sections. I can just color them and I can just make it. So if I want to create it, click on this create, and this is for entire team or specific people, or it's just private only for you. So I will just go and select here entire team, click on continue. Everyone's on entire Anil Shaw and click on continue, and automatically it will start adding up. And this is how you can create it. Now automatically whatever lead it is, you can just move it or you can add it here. Inside your pipeline, you will see stages like lead, contracted, negotiating, approved, and you can customize the stages to fit your sales process. Each row is, pipeline is called a box, and each box represent a lead or a deal. To add a lead, you have to simply click on Add Box. On the top right side corner, you will find this option of this plus icon. Click on Add Box, and here you can add it, right? So it's pretty much simple. Now you can just click on Quick Add and you can add it. So I want to add this as my lead here, and in this way you can just you will find all this information regarding it, and in this way you can add it. So just go and click on this plus icon, click on Add Box, and you can add as many lead as you want. Now let's explore feature inside a box. So when you open it, you will see tabs for email. So here you can see, I'll click on this icon and here you will find a lot of options. As I told you will see tabs for emails, notes, files, and tasks. This is where you can log meeting, notes, upload contracts, assign tasks to teammates, and keep everything in one place. No more searching through long email threads. Streak also has reminders and follows up. So for example, if a lead hasn't replied you in a week, you can set a reminder to nudge them again. This ensures no opportunity slips through the cracks, right? Which you can do it directly from here. So you will able to find it from the recently viewed, all tracked emails, right? You can track it up, and these are the awaiting replies, right? Everything. So it's pretty much easy. Now there's another powerful feature which is called mail merge, right? Which you will find it here. Now this mail merge, just go and click on create. You can send personalized bulk email directly from Gmail. For instance, you can draft one email and personalize field like name or company for dozen of leads. Streak then track who opened the email, who clicked the links, helping you measure engagement. And yes, Streak comes with reporting. In your pipeline, you can see how many leads are in each stage, your average time to close, and overall progress. These insights help you focus on the deals that matters the most, right? So it's completely up to you how you want to go with it. And so that's a beginner guide to Streak CRM, installing it in your Gmail, creating pipelines, adding leads, and there's a lot more you can do. So it's simple but powerful way to turn your inbox into a full sales CRM. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe for more CRM guides. Thanks for watching.